guys, welcome back on our Love Toys channel. In this episode you're gonna see a really great complet, and that is a cookie creations by Hasbro. In this complet we've got a lot of accessories. Here we've got 5 cans of our colorful Play-Doh, also this magical rolling pin, a special quite huge tray, a little plate with this purple spatula, and here inside we've got also a lot of colorful shapes to make a really cute cookie. To start our fun, we just have to take a little bit of our Play-Doh and then use our magical green rolling pin to extend it a little bit, and thanks to that we can also see a lot of these quite huge shapes. Here we've got them a lot. And here, for example, this time we're gonna choose this shape of a star to make a beautiful cookie. So now let's take it all the parts that we don't need anymore, and here inside we've got our really sweet cookie. So here it is. Let's put it on our orange plate. We can also decorate our cookie by using one of those shapes that are inside our great tray. So here, let's put a lot of our pink Play-Doh, and this time we're gonna make a really sweet butterfly. So here we've got him. He looks really sweet. So let's use it on our great star. We can also use the rest of our accessories. So here, for example, we've got a special colorful gun to do it, and here inside it we just have to put a lot of our Play-Doh. So this time we're choosing the blue one and put it here, and thanks to this part we can also decorate our cookie to look really sweet. So here we've got it. Now our cookie looks really sweet, and we can start to serve it to all of our friends. So thanks to that they can also taste our great cookies. This complet is really fantastic. Here we can have a lot of fun, especially by using our magical rolling pin, and also a lot of shapes that we've got inside our tray. And thanks to that we can make a lot of cookies for our friends. And if you enjoy our video, just share, like or subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Bye!